It's an understatement to say that COVID is affecting the retail industry. But in some ways, it's affecting things less than you might think. We can compare what's happening now to what happened back in the 2008 global financial crisis, i.e. the second worst time for retail on record. In 2008, the GFC led to over 28,000 stores closing in America. That's 2% of their total. Now, in 2020, UBS have forecast that 2% of stores in America are going to close each and every year between now and 2025. So that's around 100,000 stores in total. So there is a lot of change ahead for retail. But the thing is, it's not all COVID's fault. Let's go back to a forecast that UBS did over a year ago. Of course, when they did that forecast, they had no idea that coronavirus would hit now. That forecast said that over a slightly longer period, between 2020 and 2026, 25% fewer stores would close. So of course, COVID isn't making life easy for any of us, let alone retailers. But a significant portion of this change was happening anyway, driven by the adoption of interacting and buying online. COVID just means that it's happening faster. Hopefully there's some good news for retailers in all of this. We're hoping that it will bring them a sense of urgency and clarity that some of them lacked before. And there are numerous positive ways forward for retail. There are processes and innovations that we'd identified before the crisis that are going to be adopted even more rapidly from here on in. I'm sure I'll talk more about the things that will help retailers soon, maybe in another video, maybe on our blog, maybe both. But if you'd like some tailored tips or suggestions for your business, you can always pick up the phone. Our contact details should be somewhere on this screen, so do give us a call. We'll happily have a chat to you. So maybe speak to you soon.